So, one of the simplest ways of understanding drug addiction is by looking at the pleasure system, by looking at the reward system. Understand what behaviors you do to make yourself feel comfortable, what behaviors you engage in to make yourself feel confident. What do you do to soothe yourself after a distressing situation, after a fight? What do you do when you're rejected? How do you make yourself feel better after you've been betrayed, disappointed? And you realize that there are usually two ways that people go about it. There are those who are going to use the healthy ways, adaptive ways, which usually take time. So there's delayed gratification in these ways. So here we're looking at a hobby, we're looking at exercising, we're looking at sitting with the problem to understand it, trying to find coping strategies that are productive. And the other way is maladaptive, unhealthy. And here you tend to get instant gratification. So drug use comes on the maladaptive coping strategies. Somebody doesn't want to feel uncomfortable for very long, and so when you go and drink alcohol in less than half an hour, you should feel good. If you go and use cocaine in less than 10 minutes, you should feel high. And so sometimes you can even predict if an individual is at risk of developing a maladaptive behavior such as drug addiction or drug abuse. Usually these people lack self-control. They cannot stay with a problem for very long. And here a problem is something that is happening within them, a discomfort that they're experiencing. They cannot sit with that for very long or not at all. And so very quickly they go into this maladaptive behavior so that they can feel good, they can feel high, they can feel that pleasure that they're seeking.